Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good and you all are safe. Now, children, today we will discuss chapter number 2, exercises. Okay, so the chapter name is cell division in the cell cycle. So, first exercise is progress check. Progress check exercise. Few fill in the blanks are given, as you can see. This exercise is given on page number 11, okay, in your book. Now, first one is chromatin fiber is made up of DNA and histones, okay, you remember histone proteins. Second one is the two sister chromatid of a chromosome are attached to each other at centromere point, okay. Third one is the structure of DNA was discovered by Watson and Crick. Next is the three components of a nucleotide are sugar, which is a pentose sugar, phosphate group and nitrogenous bases. Now, fifth one is DNA strand wound around a histone octamer form a complex called a nucleosome. Okay, so the complex of or you can say the chromatin material, which is made up of DNA and histone protein in eukaryotic organism, that complex is known as nucleosome. Okay, octamer, remember octamer means 8 units of histone proteins. Now, sixth one is a specific sequence of nucleotide on a chromosome constituent a genes. Okay, so genes are the specific sequence of nucleotides. Now, next exercise is your review questions, page number 19. Now, you can see here, children, choose the best option. First one is A part is MCQ, multiple choice questions. Now, in bracket it is written, choose the best option out of the 4 alternatives A, B, C, G. So, you are in class 10, you know how to solve it. Okay. Now, first part is they have given the chromatin material is formed of. So, chromatin material is formed of, already I have already informed you and explained you in my videos. So, answer is B. I have tick also, DNA and histone protein. Next one is the term chromosome literally means it is the colored bodies. Okay, in some colored bodies. Okay, so chromosome are inherited bodies can be, but you know, children, in your book colored bodies are given. So here I have given you colored bodies. So the correct answer is colored bodies. You also write. Now, third one is the number of chromosome in a certain type of cell division is halved. Okay, here they are saying number of chromosome is a halved, not doubled. Okay, so this kind of cell division occurs in both ovaries and testes, and this name of the cell division is meiosis. Okay. Now, fourth one is in which one of the following option the stages of mitosis has been given in the correct sequence. So, correct sequence of mitosis is, always remember, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Pro, meta, ana, telo. Learn like this. Okay. Now, fifth one is synthesis phase in the cell cycle is called so far for the synthesis of more of DNA. Okay, more DNA, more chromosome divide or duplicated in this phase, which is called synthesis phase or S phase, capital S phase. Now, very short answer type you can see. First one is name the following. B part. So, in the name the following, A part is the repeated components of each DNA strand lengthwise is known as nucleotides. Okay. Now, B part is the complex structure constituent of DNA strand and a core of protein octamer, that is called nucleosome. Okay. Now, the type of bond which joins the complementary nitrogenous bases are hydrogen bond. Now, D part is the three components of a nucleotides are nucleotide means DNA. So, DNA is made up of or composed of pentose sugar, phosphate and nitrogenous bases. So, children, so you can write. Okay. Now, here I have specifically mentioned the pentose sugar. Okay, so you also do this. Now, B question was lengthy, so I have just written in short that they are saying, imagine one cell A has undergone one mitotic division and another cell B has completed its meiotic division. Okay, remember A1 is mitotic and B1 is meiotic. You can see in your book. So how many cells would the two produce? So I have explained you differences also, and in my this videos also, that A cell, has you can see A cell means meiotic, we will get the two daughter identical cells. So I have written here 2n. Okay, and mitosis, which is cell which is another type of cell division, we will get the 4 sex cells, that or gamete cells. That's why I have written here 4n. So A cell you will write cell A 2n and cell B 4n. You can elaborate your answer also, as I said, 2 daughter identical cell in cell A and write down, and 4 gamete cells you can write. Okay. Now next part is match the following. So children, have a look. So here first one is chromosome get arranged in a horizontal plane at a equator. Equator means center part. So center part will be metaphase. Okay. Now next one is daughter chromosome move to the opposite pole of a spindle. Opposite pole they are going. Okay. So it will be anaphase. Now chromosome become visible at a fine long threads. So we can see the chromosome in the during the prophase stage. Okay. Now last one D part is chromosome lose their distinctive and gradually becomes transformed into a chromatic network. It will be D. Children, in so many if you have the old books, or if you have any guides and all, okay, or even in the internet, few questions are wrong. Okay, so please don't note down from that sites. Okay, because in that sites also answers are wrong. Okay. Now fourth one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is DNA replicates in the dash phase of the cell cycle. So we know that most of the DNA replicates in the synthesis phase. So here I have written synthesis also and S also to specify the answer. Okay. Now mitosis occurs in our somatic cells. Somatic means body cells. Okay. Now meiosis occurs in our reproductive cells, ovaries and testes. Now D part is modern humans have 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs each. Their sperms and eggs will have dash chromosome each. So answer will be 23. Okay, so correct it here. Okay, this answer this by mistake I have written. Okay, (23 pairs of chromosome each. Okay. Now during the pairing of chromosome in meiosis, the homologous chromosome come to lie side by side. Homologous chromosome I have explained you in meiosis, that one they have taken from, or one come from paternal chromosome and one from the maternal chromosome. Okay. Then next F part is the two non-sister chromatin of a paired chromosome are attached to each other as chiasma or chiasma during the process of crossing over. Okay. Now C part is short answer type. So children, I have solved, but this first one I haven't solved because why? Because it is a definition you can write from the book also, but I will discuss with you what is the difference between chromatin fibers. So as we all know, in the interphase which is the first phase, the nucleus, how it looks like a network of very long and extremely thin, or you can say dark stain fibers. Okay, very long and highly coiled dark staining fibers. That fiber is called chromatin fiber. So you can write in the interphase, the nucleus shows a network of very long and extremely thin dark staining fibers, which is called chromatin fibers. Okay, and what will happen? What is chromosome, and what happens when cell becomes to enter the first phase, that is a prophase. Okay, these chromatin fiber condensed, okay, to form chromosome. Condense, ikhatta ho jana, that is condensed to form a chromosome. Okay. Now question number 2 is, what are the rungs of the DNA ladder made up of? So the center part of DNA, double helical structure, when you will see in your book, the center part, which in which part nitrogenous bases are present. That part is called ladder. Okay, so the rungs of DNA ladder are made up of nitrogenous bases. Okay, nitrogenous bases. So there are 4 nitrogenous bases in DNA: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Okay, I have written here also. Now third part is correct the following statement for mistake if any. So yes, there are so many there are few mistakes. A1 is the 4 nitrogenous bases. So you can see the names of the 2 are given correct, 2 are wrong. So I have corrected also guanine, thymine, adenine and cytosine. Okay. Now B part is genes are specific sequences of bases on a chromosome. So the answer is no, because nucleotide, in place of genes nucleotides will come. Nucleotides are the specific sequences of bases on a chromosome. Now third part is a nucleotide is composed of a sulfate group. So it is wrong. Nucleotide is composed of a phosphate group. Phosphate will come, then a sugar pentose and a nitrogenous base. Remember the 3 things which make up our nucleotide or DNA. Now D part is nucleosome are group of cytine molecules. So it is also wrong. Nucleosome are groups of histone molecules surrounded by DNA strands. So that is also misplaced here, that sentence. Okay, surrounded by DNA strands. So you can see from your book, look from the book. Okay, E part is if there are 46 chromosome in a cell, there will be 23 chromosome fibers. So this is also wrong. So in place of 23, cut 23 and write down 46 as I have already written. Okay, with bold, black bold letter. So you can write 46 in place of 23, write down 46 chromatin fibers inside the nucleus during interphase. Okay, so now children, I have given only, I am just explained here few exercise. Now we have D part and E part, which is diagram based questions that we will do tomorrow, so that you will not get confused. Please note, solve the exercises in your book in a homework. Okay children, so thank you and have a nice day. God bless you all children.